Structural isomerism in organic compound. What is isomerism? The organic compound having the same molecular formula but different structures are known as isomer. This phenomenon is known as isomerism. In the other word, the organic compounds having the same molecular formula but different arrangement of carbon atom in them are known as isomers. Classification of isomerism. Isomers are classified into structural isomerism and stereoisomer. Structural isomers are further divided into chain, positional, functional, ring chain, metamerism, tautomerism. Then stereoisomers are further classified as geometrical isomer and optical isomer. Structural isomerism. This type of isomerism is classified into six types: chain isomerism, positional isomerism, functional isomerism, ring chain isomerism, metamerism, metamerism isomerism, tautomerism isomerism. First one is chain isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds. It differs in the nature of carbon chain, straight or branch. Example, C4H10 butane has two isomers, namely butane and 2-methylpropane. Here two example, butane and 2-methylpropane. Butane is straight chain carbon chain and 2-methylpropane is branch chain carbon chain. Positional isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds. It differs in the position of same functional group. Example, butene has two isomers, namely butene, but1-ene and 2-but2-ene, that is 1-butene and 2-butene. First structure represents 1-butene and second structure represents 2-butene. Functional isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds. It differs in the nature of functional group. Example, C3H6O2 has two isomers, namely propionic acid and methyl ethionate. Metamerism isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds. It differs in the nature of alkyl group attached to the same functional group. Example, dimethyl ether and methyl propyl ether are metamerical isomer because here in diethyl ether functional group is ether and methyl propyl ether here also functional group is ether, but near to that adjacent group which alkyl group are present, according to that metamerism isomerism develop. Ring chain isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds. It differs in the mode of linkage of carbon atom. The isomer have either open chain or closed chain. Example, propene and cyclopropane are ring chain isomer. Tautomerism isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds. It exists in dynamic equilibrium with each other. It can be present in many forms such as nitroform and acidiform, ketoform and enolic form, etc. Example, nitroethane and isonitroethane are tautomerical isomer. Stereoisomerism. This type of isomers differ in the spatial arrangement of atom or group. It is of two types, geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. The same molecular formula represents two or more compounds. It differs in the spatial arrangement of atoms or groups around carbon-carbon double bond. It is of two types, If same group are on same side, then it is called cis isomer, and if it is on opposite side, then it is called trans isomer. Example, cis 2-butene and trans 2-butene are cis and trans isomer. Optical isomerism. Optical isomers are named like this because of their effect on plane polarized light. Optical isomers, which are non-superimposable mirror images of each other, and hence they are called as enantiomer. Example, D-alanine and L-alanine, and next example, lactic acid, etc. Thank you.